towing in the house. Oh, brother, just making it happen.
There he is. Dial.
Oh my gosh, they're rolling. Put me in a Vic. Someone get me a Vic.
Oh my.
Okay, I'm just gonna kill these tires if I keep going. Shout out to Steps Towing. If I owe you a tire, hit me up.
Tour of destruction. I've got an old Crown Vic we gotta go find. I'm gonna do that for the flagpole race and the backwards race, but I need a partner for the chain race and the Steps Towing crew. These guys are awesome. They're like, hey, we got another car, we're looking for a partner too. So this Ford Taurus cop car, I'm gonna be operating that bad boy, getting towed by her and that bad boy. And we got a real chain situation going on over here. For the chain race, that's gonna be, Hannah's gonna be pulling me in that. They were kind enough to lend me their other state patrol car thing. It seems fine, really, you know. Chaos, total traffic jam. I started figuring it out. You just got to be rough, I guess. We were dominating that. Like, man, that was a lot of fun. Bad news is I'm out of cars. I wrecked one that's not mine, and then I wrecked another that's not mine, and now we can't do the reverse race. It's an absolute blast. I have so many good people to thank. Chad and Haley for all the help and support behind the scenes. Hannah for letting me break her patrol car on the first lap. I don't know what happened there. Sorry about that.
So I'll tell you what, it's my first one.
There's been more crashes in the last 2 laps than the entire race. No, they took each other out. They took each other out.
They get to contact deep in the field and a big hit, and that's both the C-boys.
Mike didn't finish. I'm the only one that's finished now.
This is not a time to celebrate.
There you see what's left of the 7 machine. Mike is number 7.
If that isn't classic C-boys, I don't know what is. Holden Bros told me this engine was probably going to break this time. We like limped it along. It kind of was on like 7.5 cylinders already. They told me they wanted to put a new engine. I was like, nah, let's try to get one more run out of this one. So they did what they could and patched it up.
These guys are crazy. And this thing's gonna be moving at like 10 miles an hour.
I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scary. All right, boys, we made it to the final challenge. All right, this is Fast and Furious style, like we're in a street race. Start riding slow.
Yeah. No one touched it, but all the other ones have like the same problem. We're here with professional NASCAR driver, and I'm gonna give him some fun with my car. I hope he gets off.
So now we're gonna roll the dice and see how big of an inversion it is.
Literally the tallest street legal truck that I know of or have ever seen. I would say you have to probably take that claim. I think it is the tallest street truck there is.
We're moving this car over here to see if we can get it out of the wind.
Top 3 there, Justin.
I think they're doing
at number 3. You got
figure
the
8 band jumping, racing.
With,
I don't know.
Derek with Vice Grip Garage.
Let's spray paint that Z06. Let's go America, baby.
Hold the man away, brother. Whoa.
We're gonna win the burnout contest with this tomorrow. This is the greatest day of my life.
Yes! This is Travis Pastrana, folks. Have at it, buddy. It's yours. Oh my gosh. They're painting the Corvette. Oh my God. Do we have a plan here? Is there a plan?
Yes, right.
America. Okay, they're going for America, folks.
Just so everyone knows, there's never been a Crown Vic flip in any of these races. There's been 2 tonight. Not only fixed our water pump, but have this beautiful golf.
Not the way you want to come off the track, that's for sure.
Is Ford's compact crossover. It's small, fuel efficient, and super one of the reasons why you see so many of them out on the road. But as you can see, this one had a bit of a rough day. This EcoSport was involved in a front-end collision, so hopefully nothing too crazy hiding underneath, but we'll find that out together.
Guys, we're blocking traffic out here, loading up some heavy duty stuff, but what we're gonna have to do is hang that rear drive axle over the front of the trailer to get both of these trucks to fit. So what we're gonna do is get this thing hung over the front. There's so much action here. Ryan's like shaking the whole time. Why are you shaking, dude? This might be a revival right here. We take 2, make 1, and sell the parts off of 1. I don't know. Be a sweet project, wouldn't it? Oh, yeah.